One-piece toilets cost more than two-piece models for a reason. No seam between tank and bowl means fewer leak points, easier cleaning, and a cleaner overall look that holds up better over time. But not every one-piece toilet performs the same way. In this video, we cover 5 of the best one-piece toilets currently available. The TOTO ULTRAMAX 2 is the most proven one-piece toilet on the market at its price point, and its flush system is what separates it from every other model in this category. It uses TOTO's Tornado Flush, 2 angled nozzles positioned inside the rim that push water in a continuous centrifugal motion across the entire bowl surface on every single flush. Because the rim has no holes, there are no spots where mineral deposits and bacteria can accumulate over time, a problem that affects every standard rim hole toilet eventually. The bowl is coated with siphon-teched glaze, a ceramic finish so smooth that waste and bacteria cannot bond to the surface. That means the bowl stays visibly cleaner between uses, and when it does need cleaning, it responds quickly with minimal effort. It flushes at 1.28 gallons per flush, WaterSense certified by the EPA for water efficiency. The one-piece construction means the tank and bowl are cast as a single ceramic unit. There is no rubber gasket between them that can deteriorate and leak over years of use. Universal height seating at 17 inches meets ADA accessibility standards. A soft close seat is included. For a homeowner who wants the most dependable long-term one-piece toilet available under $600, the ULTRAMAX 2 delivers consistent performance without compromise. The KOHLER Santa Rosa solves one of the most common problems in bathroom renovation: fitting an elongated toilet into a bathroom that was originally designed for a round bowl. Its compact elongated bowl occupies the same floor footprint as a round bowl toilet while providing the longer, more comfortable seated surface of a full elongated model. That makes it the most practical one-piece choice for bathrooms where space is tight, but comfort cannot be sacrificed. The Santa Rosa uses KOHLER's Revolution 360 flushing system. Water is distributed in a continuous swirl around the full 360-degree circumference of the rim on every flush. Standard KOHLER Class 5 toilets cover only a portion of the rim. The Revolution 360 system covers all of it, producing a more thorough and consistent bowl rinse with each flush. The bowl surface is treated with KOHLER's Clean Coat finish, which resists mineral scale and stain adhesion, reducing the frequency and effort of routine cleaning. It flushes at 1.28 gallons per flush, meeting WaterSense certification. Comfort height seating meets ADA requirements. A quiet close seat is included. For a homeowner upgrading a smaller bathroom and wanting KOHLER's most advanced flushing technology in a space-saving one-piece format, the Santa Rosa is the strongest option at this price level. The American Standard Champion 4 holds the top spot for one specific performance category: eliminating clogs, and the engineering behind that claim is measurable and independently verified. It uses a 4-inch flush valve, which is the widest available in any consumer toilet in its class. Paired with a fully glazed 2 3/8-inch trapway, that combination pushes a significantly larger mass of water through the bowl in a single flush than any standard 3-inch valve system can achieve. The Champion 4 achieves a full 1,000-gram MAP score. MAP stands for Maximum Performance, and it is the independent engineering standard used to measure how much solid waste a toilet can clear in a single flush. 1,000 grams is the highest rating possible. It runs at 1.6 gallons per flush, which uses slightly more water per flush than WaterSense models, but generates noticeably stronger hydraulic force through the drain line as a result. The bowl surface is treated with American Standard's EverClean antimicrobial finish, which inhibits the growth of odor-causing bacteria, mold, and mildew on the surface. Chair height seating sits at 16.5 inches. A slow close seat is included, and American Standard backs this toilet with a 10-year limited warranty. For any household dealing with recurring clogs, whether from older plumbing, high usage, or previous low-performing toilets, the Champion 4 addresses the problem at its source. The Swiss MADISON St. Tropez is the one-piece toilet in this list designed most specifically around making daily and weekly cleaning as straightforward as possible, and it achieves that through 2 features that work together. First, the trapway is fully skirted, meaning the entire exterior of the toilet from bowl to floor is enclosed in smooth, flat porcelain with no exposed plumbing curves on the outside. Traditional one-piece toilets still have an exposed trapway on the back and sides, visible ridges and curves near the floor that collect dust, grime, and bacteria and are difficult to reach with a cloth or brush. The St. Tropez eliminates all of that. Second, the soft close seat detaches completely from the toilet without any tools. A single press of a release button at the back of the seat lifts it free. That allows the entire top of the toilet bowl to be wiped down thoroughly, which is not possible on toilets with fixed seat hinges. It is the flush system uses dual nozzles and a hole-free rim to distribute water in a vortex pattern around the bowl. The same hole-free advantage as the TOTO ULTRAMAX 2 at a significantly lower price. The dual flush system offers 0.8 gallons per flush for liquid waste and 1.28 gallons per flush for solid waste, averaging out to strong water efficiency across daily use. Comfort height seating meets a DA requirements. For a homeowner who prioritizes hygiene, ease of bathroom maintenance, and a modern skirted look at a mid-range price, the Saint-Tropez is the most practical choice in this list. The HOROW T0338U makes the strongest case for any budget one-piece toilet currently on Amazon, because it earns a full 1,000 gram MAP flush score at a price that undercuts every other model in this list. And that MAP score means it clears the maximum tested solid waste load in a single flush, matching the performance of the American Standard Champion at a fraction of the cost. It uses a dual flush system, 0.8 gallons per flush for liquid waste and 1.28 gallons per flush for solid waste. The 0.8 gallons per flush liquid flush is the lowest per flush water usage of any toilet in this lineup, which produces meaningful savings on water bills in households that flush frequently throughout the day. The fully glazed trapway is what supports that MAP score, a smooth internal surface with no rough spots that could catch waste and cause partial blockages over time. ADA-compliant chair height seating sits at 17.3 inches from floor to rim, which is comfortable for most adults and appropriate for older users or those with limited mobility. While the compact footprint makes it a practical option for smaller bathrooms, where a full-depth one-piece toilet would leave limited clearance, a soft close seat is included. For a first-time homeowner, a rental property, a guest bathroom, or any situation where budget is the deciding factor, the HOROW T0338W delivers full flush performance in a one-piece format without the premium price.